Hi guys, this is Patty's Southern Kitchen. This morning I had to have the food waste disposal replaced, and here it is under the kitchen sink, and everything was backing up in my sink, and I knew I had to do something about that. My dishwasher was not functioning properly, and I know that was another issue, so I'm running the dishwasher now. And I just want you guys to see the issue that I had. And this cost $541. Also, they replaced the flapper in one of the toilets. So I didn't expect this astronomical amount, but it had to be done. So here it is. Everything is functioning properly now. So I am just thankful for that. You guys have a great day and be blessed. Please subscribe, like, share, follow, ring the notification bell, and please give me the thumb up. I will talk to you guys soon.